This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Welcome to Linkhorn Cove. Beautiful home on January 2nd acre lot in Great Neck. Low maintenance vinyl exterior, HVAC 2014 and 2016, architectural roof, and replacement windows. Upgraded kitchen and baths, maple hardwood floors on first floor. Large backyard with new deck plus detached shed/workshop, plenty of room for a pool. Call us today to schedule your private viewing. For more information, review the details below.